Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. This video is about eating peach during pregnancy. So let's start this video. Peaches are sweet and juicy fruit which are low in calories, fats and high in nutrients such as vitamins, iron, dietary fiber, beta carotene and many more. Peaches are fully loaded with nutrients that are required for both the mother and her unborn baby during pregnancy. So it's good to include peaches in your pregnancy diet. Benefits of peaches during pregnancy. Some of the amazing benefits of peaches during pregnancy are: maintain fluid balance. Peaches are a good source of potassium which maintains the balance of electrolytes and fluids in the body. It also prevents leg cramping, which is very common during pregnancy. Boost immunity. Peaches are a good source of vitamins which helps in boosting the immunity of the body during pregnancy. Prevent birth defects. Peaches are a rich source of folic acid which is very crucial during the first trimester of pregnancy to prevent the baby from birth defects. Reduces the risk of anemia. Peaches are a good source of iron which is essential for the formation of red blood cells which reduces the risk of anemia. Healthy weight gain. Peaches are low in calories and fats but high in nutrients. These properties of peaches prevent the risk of gaining excess weight during pregnancy. Aids digestion. Peaches contain a high content of dietary fiber. Peaches contain a high content of dietary fiber that helps to prevent constipation, bloating, etc. and aids digestion. Prevent premature contractions. Peaches contain magnesium which prevents the uterus from undergoing early contractions during pregnancy. Natural detoxifier. Peaches works as a natural detoxifier and removes all the unwanted and harmful toxins from the body. Strengthen the bones. Peaches contain phosphorus which helps in strengthening the bones. Fight against diseases. Peaches are loaded with antioxidants that help your body to fight against various diseases. Side effects of eating peaches during pregnancy. The side effects of eating peaches during pregnancy are: overeating peaches can raise the body's temperature and may lead to bleeding during pregnancy. The hair on the skin of peaches can cause allergy or irritation in the throat. Peaches have a high sugar content and a pregnant woman who is diagnosed with gestational diabetes should consume them in a limited amount. Precautions to be taken while eating peaches during pregnancy. Some of the precautions that should be taken while eating peaches during pregnancy are: eat only organic peaches during pregnancy. Always eat peaches in a moderate amount. Wash peaches well to remove all the pesticides. Peel the skin of peach before consuming it to avoid any allergy in the throat. If you are suffering from high blood sugar levels during pregnancy, then avoid eating too many peaches. Eat them in the right amount to avoid the risk of having gestational diabetes as they have high sugar content. Is it safe to eat peaches during pregnancy? Yes. Peaches are absolutely safe to eat during pregnancy. Eat them in moderation as they have high sugar content, and excess eating of peaches can lead to the risk of gestational diabetes during pregnancy. How many peaches can I eat while pregnant? Eating peaches in a moderate amount is very essential, especially during pregnancy. You can eat 1 to 2 peaches in a day while pregnant. Peaches are undoubtedly good fruit that is beneficial for you and your baby in many ways. It provides many nutritional benefits to both of you. Always keep in mind to eat them in a moderate amount, and in case you have any doubts regarding consumption of peaches during pregnancy, you can consult your doctor. To know more about this topic, you can click on the link given in the video's description box. Here's wishing you a very happy and healthy pregnancy. Enjoy the adventurous and joyful ride of pregnancy. Stay happy and keep shining. Visit our website www.motherbabykare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabykare.in. Like, share this video and do subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.